Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, in our yesterday's class, we were solving word problems based on subtraction, and today we will complete our exercise 3. So, first of all, we will read out the statement, we will try to understand it, and then accordingly, we will solve it. So, as question number 1 and 2 we have done in our previous class, so today we will discuss and solve question number 3 and 4. Let us start with question number 3. Seema has to climb 67 stairs to her house and Sita has to climb 28 stairs to her house. Who climbs more stairs and how many more? Now here you can see that we are having two questions. Who climbs more stairs? Means you just have to give the name that who climbs more. Right? More means ज़्यादा. And how many more or कितनी ज़्यादा? And that we will get to know by subtraction. So first of all, we just have to give the name that who climbs more. So for this, what we will do, we will just see that Seema has to climb 67 stairs and Sita has to climb 28 stairs to her house. Who climbs more stairs? So here we will see that Sita has to climb more stairs. 67, because when we will compare these two numbers, then we will see that 67 is greater than 28, means Sita climbs more stairs. So what we will do, we will write the answer together in the end, because here we have to find out that how many more. अब सीता ने की है बट कितनी ज़्यादा की है. सो अगेन वी विल राइट डाउन द स्टेटमेंट एंड देयर वी विल राइट सीमा climbs 67 and Sita climbs 28. So we will write 28. Now, who climbs more stairs? Means we have to compare, and in comparison always we will subtract. Now we will subtract and we will start subtracting it from the ones place. Now here you can see that 8 is greater than 7. So what we will do, 7 will borrow from the neighbor, that means 7 will borrow from 6. So this 6 will be left with 5 tens and this, and because it has taken 1 10, so it will be 17 ones, because 110 is equal to 10 ones. So this I have told you while doing subtraction also. You have 7 ones plus you are taking 10 ones from 6. So in total you have 17 ones. Now you can subtract it. Now you can subtract 8 from 17 and that is 9 after subtraction. Right? And here we have 5 and 2. Now we will subtract 2 from 5, means 2 tens from 5 tens, and after subtraction we will get 3. Now we have the answer 39. That means Seema climbs more stairs. How many more? 39. So we will write down the complete statement that Seema climbs more by 39. We will write simple answer. Simple statement, as I told you, just pick it up from the question and write down your answer. Right. Now move towards the next question, that is question number 4. Let us read it now. There are 74 cars in the parking lot. 18 of these cars drove away. How many cars remain in the parking lot? In parking lot there were total 72 cars, out of which these cars drove away. मतलब उसमें से 18 कार्स को निकाल कर ले गए. And how many cars remain in the parking lot? How many cars remain means how many cars are left in the parking lot now. Initially we were having 74 cars. These cars drove away. So how many cars remain in the parking lot? So just write down total cars. Means there were total 74 cars, out of which drove away, means 18 cars drove away. Now how many cars remain in the parking lot? So what we will do, we will just subtract and we will write cars left in the parking lot. Now what we will do, we will just subtract, and these are the places that I am writing, because always you are to just arrange the numbers in the columns. Now what you will do, you will just subtract it. Now here you cannot subtract 8 ones from 4 ones, so obviously 4 will borrow from 7. This will be 6 tens, and here we are having 14 ones. Now we can subtract 8 ones from 14 ones, and we will be left with 6 ones. And when we will come to the tens column, we will see that we are subtracting 1 from 6. So here we have 5 tens. Now you can see that both of these questions we have discussed and solved. In question number 1, we were having 2 questions, like who climbs more? Seema climbs more. Plus how many more? So she climbs more by 39. So just keep in your mind that while doing comparison, that who has more, so always you will subtract, right? And in the next question, how many cars remain in the parking lot, means the terms like left, remain, all these implies to subtraction. It means that in that case also you will subtract, like here we have done. Total cars we were having 18 cars were drove away, and we are left with 56 cars, means there are 56 cars in the parking lot now. And subtraction, you have seen that 4 has taken from 7, because we cannot subtract this. So like I have written here also, I have shown you. So it is like 4 plus 10, because 7 has given 110. 110 means 10 ones. So when we will subtract 1 from it, we will give 10 to 4. So 10 plus 4, that is why it is 14. And then we have 8, so we can simply subtract 8 ones from 14 ones. Our answer is 6 here. And in this case, when it has given 110, so we are left with 5 tens, because 110 can be subtracted from 6 tens. So that is why our answer here is 56. I hope both these questions are clear to everyone. So now I'm just sending assignment. Complete it, and if I'm sending word problems, then you no need to write questions. You just write answers with the simple statements. Thank you.